Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You're going to start by confirming basic but crucial things. Update iOS and sign into your Apple ID because authentication and the latest fixes matter. Next, open Wallet and check your card image, number suffix, and expiration. Errors block transactions. Make sure NFC is enabled and you have mobile data or Wi-Fi. Apple Pay needs connectivity for initial verification. Once done, try a low-value test payment to see whether the system recognizes the card. Now you'll dig into the deeper steps. Remove the card from Wallet and re-add it. This forces re-verification with the issuer and often clears tokenization errors. If contactless still fails, reset network settings so NFC and carrier provisioning refresh. Note this deletes saved Wi-Fi passwords. Also contact the card issuer to confirm mobile payments are allowed and there are no holds on the account. Make sure your device time is set automatically, because mismatched time can break secure transactions. Finish by force restarting your iPhone to clear caches and complete any pending service handoffs. If an iOS update is available, install it. Updates include wallet and NFC fixes. As a last resort, reset all settings. This preserves data but restores system preferences. Backup first. If Apple Pay still fails, check Apple system status for wallet problems, then call your bank to verify token provisioning. Key troubleshooting tip. If the issuer approves but it still fails,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.